everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay. And what's Holly drinking today? Well, I'm gonna make something kind of interesting for you. I'm calling it a triple A. And it's totally, well, it seems totally healthy based on those 3 A ingredients. Aloe liqueur, arugula, and agave. Sounds really healthy to me. So let me show you how we make it. So let's start with some fresh arugula. Now, I don't know about you, but I have never had a cocktail with arugula in it. So I thought, well, let's give it a go. I saw a recipe and I kind of tweaked it a little bit. So with the arugula, we're gonna add some agave. And let's go ahead and add some fresh lime juice too. This is a very, very refreshing cocktail. So give them a muddle. This might be fun blended too. You'd get really crazy arugula flavor that way. Okay, good enough. Okay, to that, let's go ahead and add this lovely Chareau Aloe liqueur. Aloe liqueur. It kind of different, real unique, made in Camarillo. I tried it in an event here in Encinitas a few years ago and loved it. It's a little bit sweet and minty and melony. It smells fabulous. It's really, really unique. Then we use our Trust Me vodka. We like these friends of ours, Trust Me. They have all kinds of yummy vodkas. This happens to be an organic vodka. Let it go. Okay. Let's come back over here. We'll give them a shake. Oops. Flying all over the place. Okay. Give them a go. So today I guess we'll be dainty and we'll serve it in a coupe glass. How about that? Then you can have a whole bunch of them and you don't feel very bad because they're little. Okay. Ooh, look at the pieces of arugula floating through. I mean, my goodness, it's like a salad in a glass, don't you think? To accentuate the arugula flavor, let's give them a cute little leaf. Is that too sweet? Let's give them a taste. It's so good. It's so different. It's like that aloe is going down in your stomach and healing you from inside. So give it a try. It's fun. It's easy breezy.